Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the requirements for traveling with children during the holidays. Now, you got to realize what's going on. If you're in a divorce situation or a custody situation where you have your children part-time, the other side has the children the other part of the time, you're going to have to work out something with respect to traveling during the holidays. You're going to have to do that because otherwise you're going to be accused of parental kidnapping. So there's going to have to be an arrangement. That arrangement should be well documented in writing in an order of the court. It might be in a judgment of custody, it might be in a judgment of parenting time, it might be in the judgment of a divorce, but in some document it should say that in 2023 the children are with you for the winter vacation, which goes from December 22nd with a return on January 2nd, or words to that effect. It should be something very specific. If you don't have that, then you're operating on good faith. And good faith means you're relying that the other person will do what they say, that they won't change their mind, that there's been no miscommunication. If you're in that environment, you've got to make sure that since there are no court orders, you better have this all very clear in email or a text or something that says, just to be sure, you are aware, I'm taking the kids. It's flight 735 Delta going from Detroit to Fort Lauderdale on such and such day and coming back. And that way there can't be any doubt. Nobody can say you did this without consent. Now, having said that, there's a difference between what is necessary to travel with the children as between you and your ex, and what is necessary to travel with the children as between you and the state and TASA authorities. You have to realize one thing. In a situation where children are traveling with one parent, sometimes it arouses questions. It arouses suspicions. People want to know, if we let this person pass, do we have some indication that this is not a parental kidnapping? How do we know that this is what's supposed to be? How do we know that we're not allowing someone to flee the jurisdiction with the child? So they'll ask, they'll require something. If it's particularly a trip out of the country, they're going to want to see, where's the parent? Where's the authorization that allows this? Where's the consent that allows one parent to travel with the child, with the passport of the other child? They may well ask that, and you're going to need to investigate and find out what documentation will they need for you to be permitted to take your child out of the country, and it's just you. You may find that say we don't need anything. Or they may say we want an affidavit from the other parent. We want a written consent. We want something that guarantees that this is not a parental kidnapping. So you have to always realize when traveling with children for the holidays, there's multiple sets of conditions that have to be met. Of course, with the other parent, you've got to work that out. But remember also that just because you work it out with them doesn't mean that the border authorities won't want some verification as well. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.